Dear students, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. How are you? I hope best for you. I Mukesh Kumar welcomes you to online Mukesh Online Academy. आपका मुकेश ऑनलाइन एकेडमी में स्वागत है. And we are doing the maths of class 8 from the NCERT book. Okay, I know this book is being mainly followed into the CBSE board. Now whatever board, if they have started following this book, okay, then those students can benefit from this, and otherwise the questions more or less remain the same in all the books in India. Okay, so everybody can benefit from this. And we are doing the chapter 2, that is the linear equations in one variable. So we have already covered this chapter into the previous 9 videos. I hope you would have seen those videos, and if you have not still seen, then I give the links into the description. You can go through them. Okay, so we have almost covered the whole chapter, and in this video we are going to finish the chapter. Okay, so in this video we will be doing the examples, okay, and the exercise 2.6 and the related examples. Okay, one usual tip. Okay, just take out your notebook and pen and start practicing with me. Math is a subject of practice. You practice more, you get maths more. You get more, you become best into the maths. And I know you want to become best into the maths. So practice each and every question 3 to 4 times. Do the questions from some other books also, other than NCERT. So it will give you a better understanding of the topic. Okay. So if you have any doubt related to the NCERT book, in my video, or any other book that you are following along with it, just write to me. Okay, send the questions to me. I'll make another video to clear your doubts. Okay, so we want to make you best into the maths. Okay, and I hope you must be getting knowledge from these videos. Okay, and if you want to get the live online classes through Zoom app, interactive, then you can also write to me on the WhatsApp email I have given to the description box. Okay. And I hope you must be getting knowledge from my videos. Kindly share it with your friends. Subscribe to it. Ask your friend to subscribe. And now in this video, we are going to do the examples related to the exercise 2.6 and exercise 2.6. So let's start the example and the exercise 2.6. So students, let's start. So in this video, we will do the examples and exercise 2.6 example before that. Okay, so now so here we will have the equations which will not be in the linear form. So first we will have to reduce these equations into the linear form, and then we can solve the equation to get the desired value of variable. Okay, so let's do the first example 18. Okay, so in the example 18, we have to solve that x plus 1 upon 2x plus 3 equal to 3 by 8. Okay, so we have the question x plus 1 upon 2x plus 3 equals to 3 upon 8. Okay, so how we can do? We just cross multiply it. We just cross multiply 8 with the x and 2x plus 3 with the 3. As we have learned into the other sections also, like a upon b equal to c upon d. So a multiplies with the d and c multiplies with the b. So this is called the cross multiplication. So we will write 8 bracket x plus 1 equal to 3 bracket 2x plus 3. So now this is like the distributive property that we have learned. Okay. So 8 plus x will be 8 into x, 8x, and 8 into 1. 8 with the x also, 8 with the 1 also, plus 8 equal to this 3 with the 2x. Into 3 into 2 is 6x, and 3 into 3 is 9. So plus. So now it has been converted into the linear form. Okay, previously it was into the fractional form. Now it has been converted into the linear form, straight form. Now 6x we will take it to the left hand side, and 8 we will take it to the right hand side. So we got 8x minus 6x because it is plus here, so it will become minus on the other side, equal to 9. This plus will become minus 8. So 8 minus 6 is 2. So we have 2x. 9 minus 8 is 1. So we have 1. Now we will take this 2 to the other side, so it will divide this. So we will got the answer x equals to 1 by 2 is the answer that we have. Okay. Okay, I hope you would have understood this question. Now let's do the example number 90. So in this example, we have the present ages of Anu and Raj are in the ratio 4:5, and 8 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 5:6. Find their present ages. Okay. So here the ratio is given of the present age. So what is the ratio of present age? That we will write ratio of present age equals to 4:5. So we can assume the age from this. So let age of Anu, as we have done in the previous questions also, whenever there is ratio we can consider one variable. Okay, that is the 4x years. Age of Raj then will become 5x years. Now 8 years from now, that means after 8 years. So we will find the both the ages after 8 years. So age of Anu after 8 years. Age of Anu after 8 years will be 4x plus 8. That means if presently we have the age 12, then after 8 years it will be 20. We have added. If it is x, then it is 8. So what will we do? Then we will add 8 to both. The same way the age of Raj after 8 years, it will become 5x plus 8. Okay. Now their ratio will become 5:6. So whenever there is a ratio, so just what we do, we just divide them. So 4x plus 8 upon 5x plus 8, this ratio is 5:6, which is equal to 5 upon 6. Okay. Now we will solve in the same way as we have done the previous question. Okay. So we will just cross multiply 6 with the 4x and 5 with the 5x plus 8. So we will write 6 bracket 4x plus 8 equal to 5 bracket 5x plus 8. So we will just use the distributive property. 6 into 4 means 24x, and plus 6 into 8 is 6 8 the 48, equal to 5 into 5 is 25x, and 5 into 8 is 48. 5 into 8 is 40. Okay. Now what will we do? We will take 40 to the left hand side and 24x to the right hand side. So now we will write 48 minus 40 will become 25x minus 24x. So 48 minus 40 is 8. 25 minus 24 is 1. So we can just write x. So we have got the value of x is 8. Okay. So now we have to find the age. So we will just multiply 8 with the 4 also and 8 with the 5 also. So that means we can just write the answer. So the age of Anu will become 4 into 8 because it was the 4x years, so which is 32 years. And age of Raj will become 5 into 8, which is 40 years. Okay. So now let's check it. See, 32 plus 8 is 40 and 40 plus 8 is 48. Now we take the ratio, means 40 divided by, so 8 5 the 40, 8 6 the 48. So we got the ratio 5:6. So our answer is correct. Okay. So what we have done in this question, we have taken the assume the present age from the ratio 4x and 5x. Then we added to 8 to both, because 8 after 8 years we have to find the age. Then we found the ratio. Then the equation became similar to the previous question. After cross multiplying it, then we use the distributive property, and after just transposing it to the both the sides, we got the value of x 8. Then we just multiplied 4x, means 4 into 8 32, or we just multiplied 5 into 8 40. So we got the age of Anu as 32 years and age of the Raj as 40 years. I hope you would have understood it. Okay. Now we will do the exercise 2.6. See, in the first question we have 8x minus 3 upon 3x equals to 2. So again, what will we do here? We will just write 8x minus 3 upon 3x equals to 2 upon 1. Okay, so 2 will be multiplied with the 3x, 1 will be multiplied with the 8x minus 3. So it will become 8x minus 3 equals to 2 into 3x. Okay, so which is equal to 6x. Now 6x we take to the left hand side, 3 we take to the right hand side. So it will become 8x minus 6x, and this minus 3 will become plus 3 on the other side. Okay, 8 minus 6 is 2, so 2x equals to 3. Now we will take 2 to the other side, so that means it will divide. So x will become 3 by 2. So what is the value of x? So value of x we have got is 3 upon 2 is the answer of this question. Okay. Now the second question of exercise 2.6, we have 9x upon 7 minus 6x equal to 15. We will do in the same way as we have done the first question. We will write 9x upon 7 minus 6x equal to 15 upon 1. Okay, 1 will be multiplied with the 9x and 15 will be multiplied with the 7 minus 6x cross multiplication. So 9x into 1 is 9x equal to 15 bracket 7 minus 6. So 9x will be equal to 15 into 7 will be 105 and 15 into 6 will be minus 90x. So we will take 90x to the other side. So it will become 9x plus 90x will be equals to 105. So 90 plus 9 is 99x will be equals to 105. So we will take 99 to the other side. So x will become 105 upon 99. We can divide this by 3. So 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9 and 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15. So we got the answer x equals to 35 upon 33 is the answer that we have got of this question. Okay. So we have got 35 upon 33 is the answer. So what we have done, that just by cross multiplying and then opening the brackets, then we can do this question. Okay. Now let's do the third question. So now the third question, we have z upon z plus 15 equals to 4 upon 9. So again here also, so we will just cross multiply them. We will multiply 9 with the z and we will multiply 4 with the z plus 15. Okay. So we will 9 into z means 9z equals to 4 bracket z plus 15. Now 9z will be equals to 4 will be multiplied with the z, it will become 4z, and 4 will be multiplied with the 15, it will become 15 into 4 is 60. So now we will take 4z to the other side, so it will become 9z minus 4z equal to 60. 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4 is 5z equal to 60. So now this 5 we will take to the other side. So z became equal to 60 upon 5. When we divide it, 5 and 5, 5 to the 10. So z will become equal to 12. So your answer we have got is the 12. Okay. I hope you would have understood it. Now let's do the fourth question. In the fourth question we have 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y equal to minus 2 upon 5. Okay. So here also what will we do? We will cross multiply it. 5 with the 3y plus 4 and minus 2 with the 2 minus 6y. So we will write 5 bracket 3y plus 4 equals to minus 2 bracket 2 minus 6. So now when we multiply 5 and 3 it will become 50y, and we multiply 5 with the 4 it will become 20. Now minus 2 with the into 2 will become minus 4, minus 2 into minus 6y will become plus 12y. So we will shift 12y to the left hand side and 20 to the right hand side. So when we shift it, it becomes 15y minus 12y became equal to minus 4 minus 20, because this 20 is plus here, so it will become negative on the other side. So 15 minus 12 is 3. So we will write 3y minus 4 minus 20. They will become minus 24 because they will be added and we will put the negative sign because both are the negative integers. Okay. So we will write y equals to minus 24 upon 3. Okay. And 3 at the 24. So we got the value of y is minus 8. I hope you understood this question. Okay. Just by cross multiplying, then opening the bracket and then by transposing it. So we have converting all these equations into the linear form. They were into the previously in the fractional form. So they all are being converted into the linear form. Okay, I hope you would have understood this question. Now let's do the fifth question. So in the fifth question we have 7y plus 4 upon y plus 2 equals to minus 4 upon 3. So here also we will cross multiply 3 with the 7y plus 4 and y plus 2 with the minus 4. So we will write 3 bracket 7y plus 4 equals to minus 4 bracket y plus 2. Now we will multiply 3 with the 7, so it will be 21y, and we will multiply 3 with the 4, it will become plus 12. We will multiply minus 4 with the y, it will become minus 4y, and we will multiply minus 4 with the plus 2, it will become minus 8. So now we will take this minus 4y to the left hand side, so it will become 21y plus 4y, and we will take 12 to the other side, it will become minus 12, so minus 8 minus 12. 21 plus 4 is 25, so we write 25 by minus 8 minus 12. Since both numbers have same sign, so they will be added, so we will write 20 and the sign will become negative. So now we will take 25 to the other side, it will divide it, so y equals to minus 20 upon 25. So there is a 5 common between 20 and 25, so we will just reduce it, 5 4 the 20, 5 5 the 25. So we get the answer minus 4 upon 5 is the value of y. Okay, I hope you have understood this question. Now let's do the sixth question. In the sixth question, we have the ages of the Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Find their present ages. You can see that the question is same as we have done in the example just now. It is exactly the same question. Okay. So what will we do? We will just assume the ratio of Hari and Harry. So what is the ratio of ages is 5:7. Okay. So we can write that let age of Hari is equal to 5x years, and we can write that age of Harry 7x years. Okay. Now 4 years from now, so as we had done into the example, we will find the age of Hari after 4 years. Will be 5x plus 4 years. We have just added 4 to them. Okay. And age of Harry after 4 years will be 7x plus 4. And what is given that their ratio will be 3:4. So that means to find the ratio, what will we do? We will just take the fraction of them. 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4 is the ratio. Equal to the ratio is given 3:4. So 3 upon 4 we will write. Okay. Now we will do in the same way that we have the other question. So 4 will multiply with the 5x plus 4 and 3 will multiply with the 7x plus 4. So 4 bracket 5x plus 4 equals to 3 bracket 7x plus 4. So now 4 into 5 is 20. So 20x and 4 into 4 is 16. So 4 4 is 16. Now 3 7 is 21 and 3 4 is 12. Okay. So we can take 20x to the right hand side and 12 to the left hand side. So 16 minus 12 will be equals to 21x minus 20. So 4 equals to 20x. X to be, it means that we have got the value of x as a. Okay. So now we can write the ages. Okay. So age of Hari, the present age of Hari, we can write the present age of Hari will become 5 into 4 is 20 years, and the age of Harry will become 7 into 4, 7 4 is 28 years. Now check it. We can check the answer. After 4 years, 20 plus 4 means 24 and 28 plus 4 means 32, and if we take the ratio of 24 and 32, so we got 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, we got the ratio 3:4. So that means our answer is correct. So this question is same as we have done into the example. So what we have done, we have just assumed the age of Hari and Harry from the ratio, present ratio that is given, that is the 5x and 7x. Then 4 years from now, that means after the 4 years. We just added 4 and 4 to both. Then for ratio, we just make their denominator, we just put them into the fraction board. Okay, and we have done into the ratio and proportion in 7th standard also. So which equal to 3 upon 4. So now after cross multiplying it, we got the value of x4. Then we multiplied this value with the 5x also and 7x also. So we got the age of Hari and Harry 20 years and 28 years. I hope you would have got this answer. Okay. Now let's do the seventh question and last question of this exercise and last question of this chapter also. So now with this we will finish the chapter. See, it is given that the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. If the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the number obtained is 3 upon 2. Find the rational number. Okay, so in this question we have to find the rational number. Remember one thing, when you are not able to get the question in one time reading, read it 3-4 times until the something clicks in your mind. Okay, so denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So what we can assume, just let numerator is equal to x and this denominator is greater by 8. So that means the denominator is equals to x plus 8. Okay, so the rational number will be equals to, first we write the numerator, then we write the denominator. So x upon x plus 8 is the number. If numerator is increased by 17, that means according to the question, numerator is increased by 17, that means we will add the 17 to it, and the denominator is decreased by 1, that means x plus 8, we decrease means we will subtract. Then the number obtained is 3 upon 2. So whatever number is obtained, that will be equal to 3 upon 2. This we have made the equation. Okay, so now x plus 17, 8 minus 1 is 7, so x plus 7 will be equal to 3 upon 2. 3 will be multiplied with this x plus 7 and 2 will be multiplied with the x plus 17. So x plus 17 multiplied with the 2 and 3 multiplied with the x plus 7. Just open it as we have done into the other question. So 2 into x is 2x and 2 into 17 is 34 and 3 into x is 3x and 3 into 7 is 21. So we will take 2x to the other side, right hand side, 21 to the left hand side. So we will take 21 to the other side, so it will become 34 minus 21, and we will take 2x to the other side, so it will become 3x minus 2x. So 34 minus 21 became 13 equals to x, that means x equals to 13, we have got the answer. So now let's write the rational number. That means x upon x plus 8 will become 13 upon 13 plus 8, that means 13 upon 21. So that means the rational number that we have got is the 13 upon 21 is the answer. Okay, now let's check it. We add 17 to the numerator and we subtract 1 from the denominator. We got 30 upon 20. 0, 0 gone, so we got the value 3 by 2. So our answer is correct. So what we have done in this question, we have just assumed the numerator to be x, denominator to be x plus 8, because the 8 is more than 8 by the numerator. So the fraction became x upon x plus 8. Now in the second part, according to the question what we have done, the numerator is increased by 70 and the denominator has been decreased by 1. So now this fraction became 3 upon 2, and after solving it, we get the value of x 13 and we got the rational number 13 upon 21, and after checking it we are getting the right answer. So I hope you would have understood the whole exercise completely. Okay, and if you have any doubt, then you can write to me on WhatsApp or email. So in the next video what will we do? Send me your doubts. So whatever doubts you will send me, I will make the videos of that. Okay, so in the next video we will just entertain your doubts. Whatever doubts from this book or from any other book that you are following, you have, just send it to me. So thank you so much for your watching. Write your comments about the video, any query, any doubt about the topic into the comment box. And I hope you must be practicing the questions. You know, practicing the question is good. Okay, it makes you perfect into the math. So practice the question. Okay. And if you want to do the live online classes through Zoom, the interactive, then you can write to me through WhatsApp or email. And I hope you must be enjoying, you must be getting knowledge from my videos. Kindly share it with your friends. Subscribe to it. Ask your friends to subscribe. And do practice from other books also. Thank you so much.